Hello friends, running kimono. I finally found the Maybelline, this little triple threat here of the mini lash bar. It is on a buy one get one 50% off promotion this week, and we have digital coupons, and we also have that $5 store coupon. So I'm just going to talk about what I did today. So this was the coupon, and it was vanishing yesterday, but then today it just showed up in my account. So I don't know what's going on, but it worked today. So I had this guy loaded plus the $2 for this holiday kit. And then I also have many of these $5 store coupons, and I want to try and use all of them this week so they don't just like disappear in my wallet and I start crying, because that's not a very good thing. So because this is a store coupon, guys, you don't need a filler item for it because you can treat it like an IVC. Just to show you the receipt, the first Maybelline Mini is $10.99. The second one at 50% off is $5.49. My $5 store register reward scanned, no problems, no issues, along with the $4 digital and the $2 digital. So my subtotal now is $5.48. I threw in $5 of Walgreens cash and then paid $1.17. And I kind of need these for a little project that I'm doing for a little bit of Christmas stuff for my sister-in-laws, just a little fun extra something. So yeah, I was really happy to track this down. And then just to show you, like, where do you find these in the store, because I had a really hard time finding it. This is called an end cap. So where the shampoo aisle is and where the lotion is, on the very end of it, they have a display of stuff. They have a whole bunch of Christmas stuff, and this is located at the very, very top. And just to show you a little closely here, boom, here it is. And most stores had quite a few in their display. They also have like the singular mascara, but unfortunately those digital coupons do not attach. It's only with this little triple kit. So anyhow, just a fantastic way to roll those store coupons and a little bit of Walgreens cash. And I'm very delighted with what I got. So, and again, it's just a little something for Christmas. And I like to make like little cosmetic bags. So this would be absolutely perfect. You get to try all three Maybellines, and I think it's just really nice. Now, the second transaction that I did, because the little thing with these store register rewards is that you can only use one per transaction. The second one will beep. So I had my mind on this deal, and thankfully I was able to track some down. It's for these little, like, they almost look like a Christmas party favor. It has a lip balm and this little hand lotion by Burt's Bees. I thought I could attach them to a top of a gift and it would be so adorable. They're $4.99 and they're found on a side cap in the store, so hopefully you could track them down. Now, all this skincare is on a buy two, get the third for free. And this is also following that same promotion. And I thought, you know, for a cute little thing to dress up a gift, this would be ideal, and it worked beautifully for me. Now, as I said, guys, I have a ton of these. I'm trying to blow through them this week because I don't want them to expire in my wallet of doom. So grabbing three of these, guys, as you can see, $4.99 for the first, $4.99 for the second. Buy two, get the third for free, because that's skincare. And I used that $5 store register reward. The new subtotal is $4.98. Now, here in Michigan, you can actually use your Walgreens cash for the tax. That's what I did, and I paid 28 cents. So this is a really smart use of both the $5 store coupon and $5 of Walgreens cash, and a really cute thing to toss on top of a, you know, a beauty kit for my sister-in-laws. They will be so, so happy. Okay, so Raw Sugar has this cute little kit. It's like lotions and potions, and this is $10 on the nose. I thought if I would use one of those $5 store coupons and then $5 of Walgreens cash, super smart. If you want something a little easier, this Dr. Teal's kit for $5. I mean, this would make a nice Christmas gift for anyone, or a stocking stuffer. You know, a lot of us are looking for little bibs and bobs. What a great find. Now, this next deal is to get the Dove, this is a dry spray, very, very cheap. So they are $4.29 and they are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So this one specifically, it's called Lavender Fresh. At my store, it was 50% off. Now, it's always your mileage may vary, but if you can find this clearance stuff, go for it. I also threw in one of these guys because I just want to get rid of them in the worst absolute way. And then IBOTTA has $1.50 back that I was able to claim twice. So I was able to get $3 back from IBOTTA for purchasing both of these dry sprays, and they attached. No problems, no issues. So double, triple check that you have the same rebates. And then if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, there is $2 back when you buy 2 of these ladies dry sprays. So I also got $2 back from Fetch, so that's 5 right there from these rebate apps. Looking at the receipt, the first deodorant was $4.29. The second one at 50% off was $2.14. Subtracting that $5 store register reward, I paid $1.43. So if you think about the rebate apps of what I got back, it's basically that $5. So it shakes out each dry spray to 71 cents each. If you consider that one of those dry sprays is upwards of $7 regular price, no, $8.49 for one, made out of gold. You know, 71 cents is almost 90% off. So not the worst little deal. Look at all the different shampoos, dry sprays, that good stuff at Walgreens. Lots of it's on clearance. Following another deal, I didn't do this one, but I thought of the math and I know this will work. I just didn't do it because I need to get rid of some of these store register rewards, and that's kind of what my mission was today. Unfortunately, you can't use a store register reward for this because this is a spend offer. To spend 20, get back 10. But the clearance stuff is also included because, as you can see, it's tagged. So how nice is that? So there is this, it's called a humidity spray of some sort. So I guess if you use a flat iron, that good stuff. It was $21.99 and now it's down to $10.99. So that's the one that we're going to be picking up. And a lot of this shampoo in store, it's very expensive. We also have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off. So grabbing 2 of those for $21.98, subtracting that $5 digital, you're paying $16.98 with your debit card, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.98 for the 2 sprays. Do not use your Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay this down because this is a spend offer. If you might have another paper booster or a digital or a paper booster like spend 20, get back 5, that would be smart to throw this in. But right now, nobody has digital boosters, so it's just one of these sort of weeks. But if you really want some cheap Nexus, you might want to walk down that shampoo aisle and see what they might be providing. Guys, I'm still waiting for any sort of like Black Friday news from Walgreens. I've been checking the app all the time, and there's been nothing. So maybe they'll wait till Thursday morning for us, or maybe there'll be nothing. We do not know. Okay, guys, so before I take off, I know a lot of you want to get into penny shopping over at the Dollar General. If your store might have a huge display or still some stuff on the 23rd, which is Tuesday, you might want to get there first thing on Tuesday morning and see what they have. All remaining Halloween merchandise, if you can find it, will be a penny. This one store I went to today had a huge display still full of it, and they had it in different parts of the store. Look in the clearance section, look at the front, and then even look with some of the Thanksgiving display. But anything that has that Halloween theme will be ringing up for 0.00, which is basically a penny, including these creepy dolls that nobody wanted. They're supposed to be called spooky witches, but they look quite haunted to me. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.